Right, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, I've just finished training. I'm going to go pick the van up so I can finish moving the last few bits from the shed over to the workshop. Let's go. There we go, got the van. Now it's time to go back to man, start moving the stuff into the van and move it onto the workshop. That's nearly all the big bits moved now. I've got all little finicky bits to put in the van and then I can take it all up to the unit. As you can see, I've got a load of my steels and bits and bobs off my workbench there, all my camera equipment, and big slabs of Kydex and my work table, my oven, which will go in last because I don't want anything to destroy it, oil, which is going to go in last because I don't want it to spill everywhere, and then this has got my fire bricks in, so that's going to go. But all this stuff I'm just going to leave here for now because a lot of it I'll probably throw away and I won't really need it. I'll take in some wire because I've got a build coming up, and then that'll be pretty much it. Done. I've got loads of little random bits to take now, but I think what I'm going to do is just head on over with the big bits because the place is quite a lot of a mess, so we've got a lot of work to do before we get it in shape. So I'll leave the last few bits, which a lot of it can actually fit in the car. I'll put the oven in the front of the van, but a lot of it can fit in the car, and then we'll just do it over time once it's actually tidy. So let's go to the unit. I'm going to take all the bits to the unit now, and I've got the most important bits right here with me. Wait a minute. So as you can see, it's a bit of a mess. I think mess being an understatement. So what I'm going to do now is I've got everything in the van. I'm going to start unloading a load of stuff here and putting it into the storeroom area, and then try and tidy up an area so I can put those shelves up so that I've got a workbench, because I'm going away on Thursday. So I've got a workbench, so when I get back I can start, and then me and Luke can start tidying the rest of it after that as well. So wish me luck. there was a bit of a dilemma where I thought I'd lost the bolts to the racking, but I found them now. They were in a drawer, so watch me do this. Might be alright. That's me done in here for today. It's 4:30. I've been doing it since early. That's me done for today. It's 4:30 now. I've got to go home and have my tea. I've put loads of stuff up. I don't think I'm going to be able to work from there. As you can see, it's still a bit chaotic. There's still rangam everywhere. But I think once those drawers are going to go underneath here anyway, like they were in my shed. But I think once Luke, I think once Luke gets here and he sort of organises some of his stuff, and we both organise it together, then I think we'll be all right. It looks like there's going to be plenty of room. There's quite a bit of space now, and still room in the storeroom thing. So I'll probably record tomorrow. Right, thank you. I came in earlier on and I've moved a load of the stuff around, but I forgot to bring my camera, so what I'm going to do now is try and sort a load of my stuff out down here. I'm going to try and attempt to move the lathe and then try and put my mill on the stand or whatever it is. That'll be fun, I think. Make a pile here of stuff that needs to still go into the back room, which should just be everything. I'm not lifting that. I ain't got any excuse. As you can see, it's still far from finished, but it's in some sort of reasonable state that we can come in and do a little bit of work. I'm going away on Thursday, so Luke will be doing whatever. I put all this stuff just out of the way, so he's got room to work. The welding table, which is going to be like a metal working area, that's probably going to stay there, and we can wheel it and move it wherever, because it'll have the TIG welder and everything on it. Same as the table saw, it's on wheels so we can move it around. And I think we're probably going to get some more benches for the centre so we can work either side, utilise the space a bit more. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos, more build videos coming, and possibly a build video with me and Luke coming soon as well, so keep watching. Thank you.